Next in our repair process, you're going to come across either a missing tab or just a broken tab. So we're going to take a few minutes here to show you how to fix both of these. First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to sand down the front and back sides of both pieces with an 80. Next we're going to clean it front and back with Acrosol water base. Let it dry. And it'll dry in about 10 to 15 seconds. Okay, the next part of the step repair process is that we're going to use a hot stapler to give it more added strength. Come over here to the tab, put my hand behind it. So we got this. All right, so next thing you do, you cut that metal off. So we take the iron here, we're just smoothing down the plastic around it, just to make sure it's a nice solid. What we're going to use next is our Kent Ultra Set. It's a fast drying adhesive. First we're going to equalize it. Then what I'm going to do is I'm going to smear the whole back side of this thing. I'll put this over the top like so. Put some more adhesive on the top side. And I'll put some more on the bottom side. Push it around a little bit. Then I'm going to take my hand seamer and squish it all down so it's the thickness of the cable. Let it dry in about a couple minutes. It's nice and warm. Okay, I'm going to remove the plastic paper off of it. Wait till this totally dries, and then put another light coat of material over the top so you don't see the grid lines here. We'll let that cure, and then we'll sand it. Cut off a little of the excess material here. So my shape's pretty good. I just need to take a little bit off this edge here. And there, ladies and gentlemen, perfectly good strong tab.